Another one.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
Boom, and there we go.
I am just kidding, guys. That is not all I'm going to show you all. I am going to show you the journey of me going to pick sorrel. And it's like my second time picking it. So while going, you seen the oranges. They are not oranges. My dad will kill me if he hears me say that. It is mandarins. I remember him vividly telling me it is mandarins, Lily, not orange. So it's oranges, okay? I mean, it's mandarins. And they look beautiful. I took shots of them. Yes, they look so good. And now he's showing me a mongoose that was eating the cassava. This is what a mongoose looks like. This is what it actually looked like. But it can be cute. Not me running. And this is our glorious field filled with sorrel in all its glory. Ooh, ooh. What kind of sorrel is this?
This is red sorrel.
Yeah. I know it has black sorrel as well.
It is much easier to use a scissors to cut the sorrel off the tree when you are harvesting it.
Okay.
You notice how easy I'm cutting it here
Yes.
with the scissors?
So the sorrel blossoming even in January.
Yes, you could get sorrel all in January. It is very easy to harvest the sorrel. Once you have a sharpened scissors, you notice how easy I'm harvesting it.
Yes.
But even though some of them at the end, they are a little young, so I'm not harvesting them.
Like these.
Yeah, I'm harvesting only the full sorrel.
Okay. And how long before you had to plant the sorrel in order for it to grow up like this?
Well, you plant the sorrel a few months before in the year before, so most people plant it to get it for the Christmas season.
It's about the clubs. The clubs are happening.
And this is the first type of sorrel ever in Trinidad, the red sorrel. Now they have different colors. They have the black, and they have the pink, and they have the white.
Okay.
But this red sorrel is the original sorrel.
Okay.
When you make the juice with the sorrel drink with this, it comes out red.
And what about the black? Which one you prefer?
Well, some people prefer the dark one because the drink comes out a little darker than the red.
I got melanin.
And the white one, the drink come out white, and the pink ones, the drink also come out pink.
Okay. So this is a staple for every Trinidadian Christmas.
Yes, the main drink is sorrel and ginger beer.
Okay.
And guess what it is? Oh, delicious.
It is very easy to be harvested. It doesn't take much time. Once you use this method that I'm using, you notice how easy it is harvested.
Yes. So how will you rate the sorrel drink from 1 to 10?
Where would you call the higher?
10 would be the highest, 1 would be the lowest.
The lowest? Sorrel drink is rated, should be rated around number 8. It is very highly rated in Trinidad and Tobago, especially among the Christmas season.
Okay, so I ate.
Yeah. A sorrel field like this, you notice only one tree how much sorrel I pick here already, and I ain't even
From
finished
one tree. And you ain't finished it yet.
And I ain't finished it yet. But usually in this one tree, I usually plant more than I plant two. When I say two, you know what I mean. I doesn't put one sorrel plant per hole. I put two and sometimes three.
Okay.
So this is the amount here I get from one tree.
And the rest of them are a bit young, so this is the tree you use.
Yeah, I pick the full ones. These would be harvested after.
Okay. So you like to come here in the evening and do your gardening and stuff, but you know, the sun peeking through the trees and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's a very nice view with the sun. The sun, you can see it through the trees there.
Yeah. It's really relaxing.
Yeah. Very relaxing and very cool.
Okay, so you say you had some cane to show us?
Yeah, the cane is further up on that side.
Delicious.
Okay. Afterwards, we picked some oranges. Oh, sorry, Daddy. I mean mandarins. We picked some mandarins and then some cane. Delicious. Delicioso. Yes, yes, yes. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching me harvest sorrel with my dad, although it was mostly him doing the work. But yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and like and share so that you don't miss any of my content I post every week. Love you.